My opponent plays rook h6 attacking my queen, and what I did is I captured the bishop and the rook. After capturing the rook, it's queen rook, queen takes rook, and then that's when knight takes c6, and if ever he would capture my queen with the queen, there's a checkmate on f8, and what he did is capture that one, and it's winless. So our average accuracy is 0.87, and the opponent is 0.74. Thank you for watching.